back to the Voice News. I'm Palak Vidhi. Popularly known as Pappu Yadav, former Madhepura MP and Jan Adhikar Party JAP. Head Rajesh Ranjan has also been up against same relation, having Lalu Prasad as the bigger Yadav leader. The 1998 CPI leader Ajit Sarkar's murder case, in which he was acquitted, and his limited influence beyond the Kosi region of Supaul, Saharsa, Madhepura, and the joining Simanchal belt of Purnia. For the combo assembly, polls Ranjan, who formed the JAP in 2050, has forgot or called the Progress Democratic Alliance (PDA), with Chandrasekhar Azad Samaj Party and him as the Chief Minister candidate. This was just a few days after Upendra Kushwaha was declared CM nominee of another recently formed alliance, the Grand Democratic Secular Front, and two other similar parties. Ranjan has been also visible on the ground, including distributing food packages during the flood when other of leaders missing in action. He and his wife Ranjit Ranjan, a Congress leader, also made an interesting couple in parliament, hitting the streets on offer and Ranjit specially impressing in the house. However, Ranjan's stated ambition, including stopping migration out of Bihar if chosen as CM. Notwithstanding, the JAP is not expected to achieve much a party after eating into votes of some parties, including the RJD. Ranjan, 52, traces his roots to Barko, Banka, from where his grandfather shifted to Kumarkand, Madhepura, where Ranjan was born. His grandfather would lovingly call him Pappu, a called name that would stick and become bigger than the person in the years to come as he cultivated the image of a maverick. He would go on to the graduation in political science and over the years pick up a diploma in disaster management and one in human rights. Ranjan won the first time in 1990 as the independent candidate from Singneshwar Assembly seats of Madhepura. After the election, Ranjan supported Lalu, who came to power for the first time. However, the two foiled up. Ranjan recounted later how Lalu did not like the fact that he visited a massage site in Nogochia in 1990, telling him not to try and emerge as a Lalu Yadav leader. In 1991, Sanjay won the. In 1991, Ranjan won from Purnia Lok Sabha seat as an independent, but the election was contaminated amidst allegation of poll rigging. In the election, Ranjan was picked up by Madhepura candidate Shreyas Yadav as his political manager and helped the latter defeat the influential Rajput leader Anand Mohan. However, Ranjan also eventually came in conflict with Sharad Yadav over regional supremacy and leadership of the community. Their supporters attacked each other over implementations of Mendel combination recommendation. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.